Hello and welcome to this edition of the Our Lives to Live Seeking a Just World Film Festival at the FD Zone. I'm Smriti Navatia, the curator, and I'd like to thank all of you brave souls who are here on a weekday morning, given how tough it can be in this city to get from point A to point B, and we've just been hearing tougher than usual today. Possibly some of you live nearby, but I'm sure some people have traveled a distance to get here. Let's hope the place will fill up more during the day and certainly much more over the weekend. I'm pretty confident that will happen. I'd like to share a bit about the background to this festival and also what we can look forward to over the next 3 days. So in 2012, a worldwide campaign was launched called 1 Billion Rising. This was the dream child of Eve Ensler, the author of Vagina Monologues, and its aim was to call out gender-based violence and call for its end on a massive scale. So as one part of their year-long activities, some feminist groups in India thought of having a set of films that would aid this effort. And that's how Our Lives to Live happened. However, for the longest time it was called the No More Violence Against Women Film Festival. And we always said we'll think of a better name when the time comes. We, meaning my colleagues at the India chapter of IAWRT, the International Association of Women in Radio and Television, and I, who was asked to be the curator. I was given a totally free hand, which was great. I did my best to source and include films that would help to expand both our notions about gender and our understanding of violence. I've taken the same sort of liberties with this year's theme of justice as well. Anyway, over some months, a terrific set of films was put together and the festival brochure was ready to go for printing. And it was still being called NMVAWFF, the No More Violence Against Women Film Festival. This is where I must take a moment to very immodestly pat myself on the back, and that's only because usually I'm hopeless at thinking of titles. But after many weird and eminently forgettable attempts at naming, I suddenly came up with Our Lives to Live. And that was it. We didn't know then that Old Told, Our Lives to Live ko hum pyar se Old Told kehte hain. We didn't know that Old Told would become a series, but it has, and this is the second season. The first was No to Gender Violence, and this one is Seeking a Just World. Our lives to live, because isn't that what it's always all about? But it also raises questions. Our lives, who are we? Is there one we? And to live, are we, all of us, truly able to live our lives in freedom from violence, with equality, with dignity, with our rights assured, with joy? So much comes in the way. State repression, patriarchy, poverty, caste, racism, ableism, fundamentalists of every hue, ecological devastation, everyday bigotry, sheer human stupidity. And yet we struggle, and yet we survive as best we can, which is why the festival's tagline is Films of Courage, Protest, Hope. We need quite a bit of all three, clearly, to live our lives. The first Old Told also had a 3-day event at the FD Zone, and it's great to be back at the FD Zone for this second season. That too in this brand new Jean Nagri Hall. By the way, everybody kept saying JB Hall, and I just guessed that if it's on the Films Division campus, it's got to be the Jean Nagri Hall. So I'm very proud, but nothing I'm proud of. I really hope we manage to fill it up. Anybody can do their own Old Told. In your own community or college campus or NGO or film society. IAWRT will be happy to lend you the DVDs because this is conceived as a DIY, as a do-it-yourself festival. And both Old Tolds have had multiple screenings in many spaces. Many packages have traveled to other festivals, campuses, recently even somebody's home. You can choose your own films. In fact, what we're seeing over the next 3 days is only a third of the collection that comprises Seeking a Just World. For this 3-day event, it's especially thrilling that many of the filmmakers have come from across the country and will be here to discuss their films along with activists, journalists, professors, lawyers, and others who care deeply about the issues that these films foreground. I hope you enjoy the films. I hope we have great discussions. I hope also that we feel shaken and disturbed, and that these 3 days of interaction also help us to introspect about our own attitudes and choices as well as about the world we inhabit, that perhaps do not question enough. Finally, I'd like to thank IAWRT for putting its trust in me once again and giving me this curating opportunity, and the FD Zone first of all for existing and helping renew the film viewing culture in this city and I think others. Delhi for sure, I know. And secondly, for welcoming this festival. A special thanks to Director General Films Division, V.S. Kundu. I'm a little blind because of my reading glasses. To Deputy Director Premraj Rajgopalan, to the absolutely incredible Chandan Lokare for massive support, and all at FT for pulling out all stops and making it possible for us to have this wonderful space. This is the first FT Zone event in the Jean Bhagwati Hall, the first of many, let's hope. So, all of you I think know the morning session is titled, it's to do with marginalizations of various kinds, caste, disability, race, and many of you must have read the synopses already, so I'm not going to go into that, we're already running behind time.
Olmadı. Buralar benim evim. Orası da Karşıköy. Merhaba.
पहले तो मैं रामदयाल दीक्षित था, अब मैं रामदयाल चमार हूँ। हरजन की लड़की से हमने शादी कर दी। शादी करके जब हम घर आए तो घर वालों ने, गांव वालों ने बड़ी कटवचन कही और मारने की धमकी दी। जब मैं पुलिस के यहाँ गए तो पुलिस उल्टा हमें बंद कर दी। तो ब्राह्मणों ठाकुरों की है, इसलिए हमको बंद कर दिया। Y por eso yo le decía que no se fuera porque ya teníamos la casita. Pero como usted sabe las necesidades que no solo la casa necesita uno, sino...
It's yours and mine.
Operative Information. Eröffnung einer Fotoausstellung des Harald Hauswald. Quelle INS Veit Rackebrand. Ehrlich, zuverlässig, überprüft. Die Fotoausstellung des Hauswald ist im Vorraum der Kirche aufgebaut. Es handelt sich um ca. 60 Arbeiten, die verschiedene Menschendarstellungen zum Thema haben.